Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the difference between Thunderbird versus Betterbird, which is best email client. So if you're thinking between Thunderbird and the Betterbird, like which one you should use, which will be the best, is Thunderbird or the Betterbird for your email work, then in this video, I'm going to explain both of these platforms and you can make your mind which one to use. Let's start with Thunderbird. It's one of the most popular free and open source email clients developed by Mozilla. Thunderbird supports multiple email accounts, work with all major providers, and has features like filters, smart holders, calendar integrations, and huge library of add-ons. It's reliable, stable, and backed by a massive community, so you will always find support and updates. The downside could be its interface feels like a little old fashioned and some modern features are missing. On the other hand, Betterbird is a fork of Thunderbird, meaning it's built on Thunderbird's base but with extra improvements. It adds small but powerful upgrades like a multi line view for messages, better calendar handling, smoother scrolling, and usability tweaks that Thunderbird doesn't offer yet. Think of it as Thunderbird with refinements that makes managing emails a bit easier. This one is an open source. You can simply get it through the GitHub and you can also download it for Windows. If we talk about the pros, so it is based on Thunderbird but with extra refinements. It has multi-line view for easier email management. It has better calendar handling and smoother scrolling, and it is frequent updates that add usability improvements. And if we talk about a Thunderbird, so it is free and open source with strong community support. It works with all major email providers. The add-ons and extensions for customization is available. It is stable, reliable, and well tested over years. But on the other hand, the interface looks a bit outdated. Some modern productivity features are missing. But the key features include multi account support, advanced filters and smart folders, calendar integration via add ons, and high security with regular updates are there. In Betterbird, the community is smaller compared to Thunderbird, and fewer third party are available for the add-ons, and it is not as widely tested for enterprise level use as the Thunderbird. The key feature includes it has enhanced user interface, it has improved message list views, and small tweaks that make daily use smoother. So, which one should you choose? If you want long term stability, large community support, and maximum compatibility, go with Thunderbird. And if you want a more polished version with modern usability upgrades, choose Betterbird. In short, Thunderbird is the classic choice and Betterbird is the upgraded experience. Now it's up to you, choose the one based on your preferences and need. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.